welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is going to be very exciting. So what we're going to be doing, as you can see, so the thing on the bouncy castle, and because we are going to be, so I'm going to be jumping on here, grabbing one, going down the slide with that. Go down this slide and chuck it in the pool. So what we're waiting for is
and you've got a 2-minute timer to do it all.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
Let's go. Next round. This is hard. I can only get one outside.
Maybe the little ones do 2 at a time. To see if you can get them all now. Don't worry about one at a time.
Quick, he's taking it longer.
What's the time? Oh, you've got about 50 seconds left. How many squishes she's got? Go, go, go! How many she got left, guys? Oh, is she gonna do it? 20 seconds left!
He fell in the pool.
Quick, grab as much as you can!
I'm not squished. That's not going.
Quick! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! How many squidges you got left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
What about them over there?
Oh, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
How many did you get in the pool?
22. This counts for everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22. No, I can't count.
You have to get in.
Oh.
Put them in the bucket.
1, 2, 3. Oh. So how much is in that for it?
2, because that's the strawberry thing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I'm getting my hair wet. I'm not having a bone. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it's a really deep one. No. How much is it again?
10.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 9, 15, 16, 17, 18, for round 2. See how much we could do. That rhymes. Let's get started. Let's see. Now it's round 2.
Just do the ones that are already on there.
Yeah.
So now you don't have to do one by one.
Yeah,
Take as many as you can.
I feel like I'll be able to do this one. I'm quite confident. I don't know, who knows? My body don't know, who knows? My body don't know. How's anyone gonna know? So,
Right, let's start the timer.
ready?
Hang on. Reset. Go. Let's set the timer, guys. Oh, 30 seconds gone. Right. How many she got left?
I think I'm gonna be able to do this. Cross fingers.
Oh, I think you're cheating. You've got to go down the slide.
That was easy. Actually, I'm blinded right now.
Oh, set the time. Oh, you've got about 40 seconds. Is she going to do it, guys? Is she going to do it?
Tiny distance help!
30 seconds. Quick, quick. 15 seconds. Come on, come on. 2 more on there, guys. Just 2 more. No, 2 more. You've got 2 more left. Quick, quick, quick. You've got 4 seconds. Go. 3, 2, 1. Wow, you've done it. Well done. She's done it.
I'm done it, yes,